at that.
Look at that. Mommy, you have muta in your eye.
A what?
Muta.
I have muta.
Mommy, what is this right here? Do you feel it?
Yeah, it looks like a bump. Did the bug bit you here? Huh? You can't remember? Want mommy kiss it? Huh? Oh, it's gone. Magic. Is it gone? Is it gone? I love you.
I love you. 6 since I got this. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 right here. Oh, 2 and 2. Okay. How about you just wake up pop now? 1, 2, 3, 4.
What are you guys doing?
Making my food.
Slide like this. Ow. I can't get my fingers in here.
How?
All right, pull it down. Wiggle it and pull it. Slow down. I can't run.
Oh, Daddy.
Na-underestimate namin yung mga anak namin. Nakala namin matagal bago matuto.
Stop.
Akala namin mahirapan kami magturo sa dalawa. That's why Brayden told me earlier, let me go, let me go. I don't wanna let him go. Nagalit na siya sa akin, guys. Sabi niya, let me go, mommy, let me go.
Hey guys, watch this.
Hey guys, watch this. They're watching.
Whoa.
Oh.
Oh.
Sabi niya, hey guys, watch this. Such a big boys.
Whoa,
Oh.
whoa, man. Whoa.
Brayden.
Can you go through spider web?
Don't crash. Next year, we're gonna have to buy you guys a bigger bike. Maybe you can use the Minecraft bike next year. Good job, Bray. Ayan guys, maghahanda na naman ako ng aming hapunan habang naglalaro sila sa labas. So, today ang aming hapunan ay pork butt or puwet ng baboy. Ito ay niluto ko ng mga 6 to 8 hours sa crockpot para malambot na malambot siya. So, ako, mas gusto ko siyang ipares sa kanin kasi ganyan naman tayo, di ba? Pero yung mga Amerikano, mas gusto nilang ilagay sa buns or tinapay. So, sa ngayon, ang ginagawa ko ay tatanggalan ko siya ng taba kasi ayaw nila ng may fats sa kanilang mga meat. So, yan ay tatabi ko lang kasi gustong gusto ko yung taba. Kaya, naiinis sila sa akin kasi sarap na sarap akong kumain sa harapan nila ng mga taba. So, wala namang masama dun, di ba? Basta wag lang masyadong marami. Ayan, natanggal ko muna siya sa crockpot and then tatanggalin ko yung mga fats and isi-serve ko sa kanila na puro meat lang. Ang bango-bango niya kaya naman nakakagutom yung amoy. So ito yung pinakamahirap na part guys, yung gagayat-gayatin mo siya tapos tatanggalan mo ng taba. Kaya sobrang init niya. So, mas gusto kong kamayin sana, kaya lang hindi ko kayang kamayin kasi sobrang init niya talaga. Ayan, hindi ko na napigilan ng sarili ko. Napakain na nga ako at ang sarap nga niya, sobrang lambot. So, ngayon, hihimay-himayin ko lang to para sa mga Amerikano at nilalagay nga nila ito. Parang pinapalaman nila sa tinapay at minsan pinaparisa nila ng french fries. So, ako naman, kanin ang paparis ko dyan. Pati yung kambal, kanin din. So, ito na siya. Hindi masyadong perfect, pero okay na yan. Lalagyan lang ng kunting seasoning, pero malasa na naman siya. Kaya, kunti na lang yung ilalagay. Tapos, ito pala guys ang aking natuklasan. Kaya pala ganito kadaldal si Taylor. Kasi ito pala yung pinapakain sa kanya simula nung maliit pa siya. Ang puwet ng baboy. Paborito nga pala ito ni Taylor tsaka ni Tad, kaya naman kanina pa ako minamadali. Kaso nga lang sobrang init. Kinamay ko na nga yan kanina eh. So, ayan, si Tad pala ay nagda-diet kaya hindi siya pwedeng kumain ng buns or ng tinapay. So, ito lang yung meat lang yung kakainin niya tsaka some vegetables. Kasi nga, pinaghahandaan niya guys yung pag-uwi namin sa Pinas. Gusto niyang payat siya at magano nga daw siya, swimming trunks pag maliligo kami sa dagat kasi dati kasi hindi siya makapag-swimming trunks. Laging may suot na damit kasi nahihiya siya. Hindi siya masyadong confident sa katawan niya at kasi nga masyadong nga daw siyang mataba. Abangan nyo guys pag-uwi namin sa Pinas next month. Magsuswimming kami sa summer sa aking probinsya.
Taylor is making fun of me because I got white hair.
I had 3.
What?
Hannah pulled them out.
Gray hair?
White. She pulled them out. No, they were white. White as snow.
So yun guys, here's our... Ito yung kinakain lagi ni Taylor nung maliit pa siya, kaya ganyan kadaldal.
I just had the bread.
I got it.
Oh, I was like, what the heck?
I was gonna throw it away. Oh, Han, do you... Oh, yeah, you're not getting this.
Hey, did you guys get those pops out of the dumpster?
No.
Yeah, they gonna go buy that much pop. Look at that. Straight out of the dumpster.
Did he actually get them out of the
Yeah.
dumpster?
Not really, Jen.
Must
You
have been
know,
a
normal,
sale at
we don't buy
Kroger's.
that.
No, because he is on a diet. He needs a... What do you call that?
A sweet treat?
Zero blow. Diet, whatever. Todd is not eating. Todd is not eating it with buns because he's on a diet.
18 pounds.
He lost 18 pounds. Then there is.
I didn't see it.
What?
Look at that.
It takes me a second to get going. But I
Kasi
did it
bata
earlier.
talaga
See,
to.
my leg gets stuck up in the handlebars. Hold on, I just gotta be able to get my towel.
Taylor!
Well, hey, be careful. That's the second time you've done that.
No, that first it was me.